Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Philips beard trimmer series 3000. Let's see what's inside the box. This one has one warranty card, user manual, one travel carry bag, a charger, blade cleaner, and a Philips trimmer. This trimmer has 15 adjustable sizes. This comes with a titanium coated blade. This one is a light weighted trimmer and runs in both power and battery. Battery charges around 1 hour, can give up to 90 minutes of usage. That's it from the box.